Thank you for committing to yourself and choosing OneDayFit.com. Our workouts are designed for every fitness level, body type, goal, and schedule. Here's what to expect today. Make sure you complete everything for 4 rounds. Let's get ready to warm up and stretch. Our first exercise is our toe touches. Hold this for 15 seconds. Our overhead arm extension is great for stretching out our shoulders and our triceps. Make sure you hold each movement for 15 seconds. These movements will help you with proper mobility throughout your workout. Our next warm-up is our running in place. Get those arms moving and get those knees as high as you can. This is going to get your heart rate up and get your blood flow flowing. The first movement is our tricep kickback for 12 repetitions. Twelve repetitions of double bicep curls. Use proper weight for your fitness level. I honor God when I 12 repetitions of lateral flies. This movement is great for targeting your back and shoulders. Twelve repetitions of tricep extensions. Pro tip, keep your elbows close to your ears, stabilize the movement at your shoulders, and only move at your elbow. Good job today. We here at Team One Day Fit are proud of you for taking the choice to live healthier. Thank you for committing to yourself and training with OneDayFit.com. Special thank you to our program creator, production company, model, and most important, yourself.